This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Katie Burke. Ranch home in well-known and established Bellamy Manor Estates now available. Huge open floor plan and den, kitchen. Formal dining area with additional living space in front of home. Huge primary bedroom with full bath, handicap accessible tub/shower combo, and 2 additional oversized rooms on the main floor. Room over garage serves as the 4th bedroom with a closet and access to the walk-in attic. Enormous sunroom with hot tub, as is. Roof was done in 2010, HVAC is newer, water heater in 2015, furnace 2016, underground sprinkler with well, and much more. Just needs some love and updating from you. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Burke at 757-403-0911.